Yeah.
Cool. Those are cool blocks that we can lace up.
Whoa. How cool.
Right here. You got those 3 left.
They're right there. Isn't that pretty paper?
Who's this one for?
You.
I believe it's for you.
Who's that from?
Me and Daddy. Let's see.
This is what I got in from
Oh, I
Peggy.
love those. Charlotte,
I never eat that Peggy.
Those are so cool. They're like,
Oh my gosh.
you know what them are, Brandy?
I don't.
What do you, turn it around, what do you have?
You're gonna love that.
They're magnet blocks.
You lay them down
And
next to
look
pick
at
them up and
this.
they hold
Look at all the cool shapes you can make.
Whoa.
Show Daddy.
That's cool. Who got that for you?
Lot to do, looks like,
I
right?
don't know.
Your Aunt Peggy and Uncle
Looks like
Steve.
we do too.
Right here.
Look at this one.
Yeah, that's for Papa Charlie.
Oh. Take it to him. He gets a present too. What?
It's from your daughter.
Charlie, open your present.
Look at Charlie gets in there, don't he? Doctors. Oh, looky there.
New boots. Whoa.
What do you think, Charlie?
Look what I got.
Nice.
Ooh.
New boots.
Cool.
Nice.
That's what Brody's got.
Thank you. Very nice. Very nice.
Hey, Mom, look what I got. Mom, look what I got.
That's good, isn't it?
Joy of his
No,
life.
it will.
I tell you.
How could they not?
Can't beat it, can you?
No.
Nope. It's all about.
I have got.
Slippers?
What kind of boots are them, Charlie?
Dexter, they look like something I've never seen before.
I don't know how to turn it up.
You like them?
You don't have toys to play with on.
Here, go down the front like this.
What do you think, buddy? Oh, gosh, I forget the
Thank you.
It's a big I Spy book with airplanes.
A new book.
Whoa.
Charlie, you can wear those with dress
Can you
clothes.
read it to me,
Charlie.
Brody?
I don't mind to read it. To me,
Can you read it to me?
Now you got one left here.
Charlie, you
That's
can
from
wear
Grant.
but how do I open it?
Just rip into it.
Stop it. Stop it.
How do I rip it?
Find a spot and rip into it. That's from Grandma and Grandpa Miller.
Pants. How they fit?
Throw them, Charlie.
Ready to fit them.
It fits pretty good.
Yes, they do.
What's that? Who's that from?
What is that?
What is that?
You got a stuffy.
That's the animal doggy.
Yeah.
Oh, that's from Grandma and Grandpa.
Yeah.
I got all my presents.
Yeah, did you get everything you wanted?
Yeah.
Look at all the pockets in your stuffy. We can hide all kinds of things in here.
Oh my goodness.
Look at the pockets. Isn't that cool? Hey, what's up there? I'll get it.
That's your
Sandy
stocking.
stuffed your stocking.
What's that? Candy.
This is your stocking that we forgot to do first.
Is that candy?
We'll dig in there. Let's see what all is in there.
Whoa. Look at that.
Ooh. What's
Look at
this?
Candy. Keep going. Keep looking at everything you got.
Ooh.
Ooh.
That's
this?
chocolate. Oh, you left you some toys.
What's this? Another candy cane.
Yeah. Well, don't open it yet. We'll have all our treats in a minute.
Well, did he fill that whole thing up, Brody?
Well, these look together.
Yeah.
What?
And there's that.
And
Look at
look,
the books he's got.
what's that?
New books. Look at the books.
Whoa, look at this one, dude. Wow, look at this one. And look at this one.
What is that? Door?
All right, dig down in there and see if there's anything else in your stocking.
Those boots fit?
Brody, dig down in there.
I'm throwing your stuff in.
Stamps. And a new car.
That boy's got more cards.
Boy, you stuffed that thing full, didn't he?
More
What is
candies.
Ooh, looky. Oh, it likes that one, don't it?
What's this?
That's more candy. You got some cool candy, honey.
Alright, let's do this.
Oh, it's one of your favorites.
Hey, we'll open all of our treats in a minute. Just get everything out of there.
I believe the boys had a Merry Christmas.
And a candy cane.
Didn't you, brother?
There's more stuff in there. Well, my goodness.
Merry Christmas.
That little mouth.
See, look in there.
Look in there again, Brody. Look in there again. I'll take a picture. Look in there.
Nope.
Look in there.
Look in there. I'll just take a quick picture. No, seriously, look in there.
See if there's anything in the
Please.
bottom.
Just look in there like you did. Go ahead.
Oh, something else.
Look in there. Maybe that's a Reese's Peanut. Look in there. Maybe you'll see something. Look in there.
You don't do it no more.
Sorry about that.
A hand.
There you go.
Did you get it?
Look in there again, Brody.
Didn't get it.
Brody, look in there again.
There's no more in here.
Look in there. Yes, there is. Look in there. Look in.
Oh,
It's not more fun doing
Maybe you
that.
found something. What did you do?
More stuff.
oh, Mommy. Look.
You must have been a very good boy.
Good boy with a bad hairdo.
Yeah.
Can't help that, can you, brother?
Ooh.
I had delusions I was going to get him
Got out
up,
of bed, didn't you?
get him fixed up.
Wow. What's this?
That's neat candy. I'm trying to get him looking in there and it was snap for me.
That thing still got stuff in it, doesn't it?
Keep going, see if there's any more.
But there's no more in it.
I think there is. Dig one more time.
It's
Look in there again.
In there.
Alright. Is there anything else in there? Maybe there isn't. Let's see.
Did you get all
I
your...
think you got it all. Let me look. Shake it. Yep, you did good. Wasn't that fun
Good
digging in
job,
there?
Brody.
Look at all those treats Santa left in your stocking.
Wow, I wonder if he knows there's something in my SSIMG.
What's Brody gonna do with all that?
Hey, Brody, look at Mommy. Did you get everything you wanted for Christmas? Is there something missing that you wanted?
Cool.
Well,
Thank
good.
you, everyone.
Well, that's
And
wonderful.
Santa.
He's a good boy. Oh, Brody.
Look at Mommy.
Honey,
Say,
please.
look at Mommy and say happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
happy holidays.
Blow us a kiss. Say thank you, everybody.
Thank you, everybody.
And Santa.